3 tips to boost your confidence, must know. Boosting confidence is a crucial aspect of personal development, impacting various aspects of our lives. Here are 3 invaluable tips to enhance your self-confidence, supported by insights from renowned figures and literature. Firstly, set achievable goals and celebrate small victories along the way. As Zig Ziglar once said, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. This principle emphasizes the importance of breaking down larger goals into manageable tasks. By accomplishing smaller objectives, you build a foundation for self-assurance. This approach is echoed in the book, Atomic Habits, by James Clear, where he explores the transformative power of marginal gains. Small victories create a positive feedback loop, reinforcing your belief in your capabilities. Secondly, embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. J.K. Rowling, the renowned author of the Harry Potter series, faced numerous rejections before achieving literary success. She once remarked, "It is impossible to live without failing at something unless you live so cautiously that you might as well not have lived at all." This perspective challenges the fear of failure and encourages learning from setbacks. The book Mindset by Carol S. Dweck also delves into the growth mindset, emphasizing that failures are not permanent but rather opportunities for growth and improvement. Lastly, practice positive self-talk and cultivate a resilient mindset. The power of words and thoughts can significantly impact confidence. As Eleanor Roosevelt famously said, "No one can make you feel inferior without your consent." Challenge negative thoughts by replacing them with affirmations and focusing on your strengths. In the book, The Confidence Code by Kathy K. and Claire Shipman, the authors highlight the correlation between confidence and success and provide insights into building a resilient mindset. In summary, the journey to boost self-confidence involves setting achievable goals, learning from failures, and developing a positive mindset. You can implement these strategies in your life to enhance your confidence. Remember that confidence is not just a destination but an ongoing process of growth. By facing and accepting challenges, setting specific goals, and applying positive self-talk, you are building a solid foundation for confidence and success in life. Congratulations on your unwavering determination, and may your journey of self-development continue to be robust, always believing in your abilities. Stay tuned to our channel for updates and shared experiences.